Hello guys, today I'm in Garten of Banban. What could be more beautiful than little pink Opila Bird chickens? Probably only grilled chickens. Oh, their Opila Bird mom wants to get to know me better. Oh no, where's the exit? Oh, there's the exit. Oh, someone left a cake for me. Must be Banban.
This is my cake!
No, you have been a bad student. Ha ha ha! What a beautiful hat! No, Bamboilina, don't ruin my fun holiday. That was my little story today. I've been drawing this cartoon for 3 days and would love it if you could write your opinion in the comments. I'll see you around. Bye!